DC's KO event just dropped and it's one of the best comics I've ever read. The comic book opens up with Darkseid and we get to see how strong he is. He has the power of a universe inside of him and everything that he looks at turns into him. And the reason that he has the power of a universe is because of Omega Energy. And in order to understand Omega Energy, you gotta understand that the universe has two primal energies. First we got Alpha Energy, the energy of all creation where all life comes from it. And then we got Omega Energy, which is the energy of conquest, absorption, and control. Which Omega Energy is what makes up the absolute universe because its heart is a heart of apocalypse which runs on Omega Energy. And because of this, Darkseid has all the Omega Energy of the absolute universe flowing into him, making him King Omega, the personification of Omega Energy. And in order to beat Darkseid, they would have to use the Omega Energy that is in Booster Gold to restart the Apocalypse Heart that is beginning to form inside of Earth. And if they were to do this, the Omega Energy would force them to fight each other in a tournament to find a new champion. And once they're the champion, they can use the energy to beat Darkseid and reshape the universe however they like. They agree upon this and begin to gear up for the tournament. And once the tournament starts, they need to race through a portal in a booby-trapped arena. And while this is happening, we see characters like Billy Batson and others fail to make it through the portal. Superman begins to wonder where Batman is, and once he sees him, Batman gets blindsided by the Joker and dies, making Joker replace Batman for his spot. Once the contenders are chosen, the Apocalypse Heart starts talking about how it knows all the twists and turns of the event, hinting at the fact that some of the heroes might come back as wild cards, and even the absolute heroes might come in, with the final champion and the final boss being Darkseid. This issue is probably one of the best comics I've read in a while, and I'm extremely hyped for the rest of the event, but let me know what y'all think.